Hello my gingerbread and jelly bean, hope everybody is alright. It's raining outside. It's almost a week since I've posted a video, and the truth is I'm not in the mood to post or talk about anything. I guess I'm going through one of those phases where you just don't feel like posting, or just you're not in the mood. So I'm just going to be honest, I'm just not in the mood to post anything or just talk about anything. Yeah, yeah, I know I have an obligation to post on my channel and keep everybody updated and stuff. But I'm human too, so everybody have their moods. Everybody have their good days and their bad days, and I have a lot of bad days. So I'm just not in the mood to just talk about anything. I just feel like what I want to talk about, people won't really listen to it, or it won't really make much sense. So I tend to just not talk about it. There's lots of stuff that I can talk about. Well, I'm just not in the mood. I'm just not in that phase right now. But I just want to come on and just check in with everybody, see if everybody's okay. If you are, then that's good. If not, then find a way to be okay. Find a way to fix whatever issue that you're having. I'm trying to do the same, and it's just a mood. I'm just having mood swings. That's all. Sometimes I just feel like to stay by myself and not talk to people or talk to the camera or anything like that. But I'm still here. Thanks to all the new people that tune in. Just check out the rest of the videos on the channel. Leave your feedback and stuff like that. And just continue to be good. Continue to do good. Alright, guys. Catch you later. I'm gone.